Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying some Japanese snacks. So let's get started. So the one I want to start with is the little sugar candy that you've probably seen in most animes. Let's get this thing open. Ooh, no. Oh, they are so cute. Look how cute they are. They're just so tiny. Oh, you can't really see it. I wonder if the pink one and the purple one taste any different. Oh no. Oh, I thought it got stuck in my braces. Oh my gosh, I almost panicked there for a moment. mm. And let's try the purple one. Yeah, there's no like flavor difference between those two. Just sugar. Let's see, what should I try next? The cola jelly. Oh my god, I'm struggling to open it. It tastes like flat Coke, like yeah, not very appetizing at all. I don't recommend it, but I don't even know why I'm still drinking it. It does not taste great at all. Yeah, let's put that aside. Oh, this one's like a little rock, paper, scissors toy. So, you know. Ready? I'll challenge you guys. Rock, paper, scissors. Did I win? Let me know. It landed on rock, by the way. So, let's see. How do you open this? How do you open? How? They don't even give you a little tear thing. Yeah, I don't know how to open this, you guys. Maybe I'll postpone it at the end since I'm struggling so bad. Oh, no, oh, did I get it? I think I got it. I think I got it. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what kind of candy this is. Like if it's definitely a hard candy. Too hard for me to bite through. But yeah. Did I win again? I think they're kind of like, I don't even remember what they're called, little fruit hard candies that you get from the little machines. I actually don't want it. I want to spit this out, but let's try this syringe jelly. Let's see. Does it tell me what flavor this is? I'm gonna assume it's probably strawberry flavored. Ooh, look at that, looks like a real syringe. I'm, oh. Oh, that startled me. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. I like it. Mmm. This is really good. Tastes like strawberry. Definitely like a really great Halloween type candy to have. Shots. I'll put that on the side for now. What else do we have? We have little Puka strawberry flavored. They kind of remind me of Hello Panda. I don't know if you guys ever had it before, but it's another little Asian snack. Probably by the same people, to be honest. This one's strawberry flavored. It smells like strawberry cake. Definitely reminds me of Hello Panda. A little cracker, strawberry filled. We have this microphone candy thing. Strawberry flavored chocolate. We have a lot of strawberry flavored stuff, huh? Not intentional, all by accident. How do I open this? I have more trouble opening the kids. Oh! Snaps right off. Strawberry flavored chocolate. Okay. I guess these are a bunch of tiny little chocolate balls ready to go in my mouth. I hope these aren't too hard though. They're white chocolate. Do some karaoke. This is good. I can't even. Oh well. It's lost. Oh no. Oh, there goes another ball. I'm losing my chocolate balls. Alrighty. Let's see what else are there. Let's go with the Doraemon little jelly drink. What flavor? Grape flavored. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna taste good. I just had chocolate right now. I think I was right. I think the chocolate made this not as good as it should be. It is alright. Like little grape flavored jelly cups. Not bad. And what else do we have? Oh. Candy roll. A roll of candy. Coke flavored. That I can't seem to open. Ugh. That stinks. I do not like the way this smells. Oh, look at that. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells gross. Oh! Oh no, it's sticking to everything. Okay, maybe I should have just left it in its roll. Okay, let's just try it. Definitely does not taste like Coke. I'm trying to think. It reminds me of something though. Not Coke. Yeah, let's put that away. Thank you for watching, you guys. And before we go, let's do one last round of rock, paper, scissors. If I win, you have to subscribe to my channel. If it's a draw, then you gotta like this video. And if you won, well, it doesn't get much better than this. Are you guys ready? Rock, paper, scissors. I got scissors. So thanks, you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.